What's up, Adans? I have a quick update video for you. I found a new pattern and I want to share this with you. So let's go in the charts and here it is. It's a symmetrical triangle, guys. And symmetrical triangle is usually a 50-50 chance if it breaks to the upside or to the downside. But guys, if we are zooming out, so one thing, if we are zooming out, we see we are in a clear bear market, in a clear downtrend. So usually it should break to the downside. The probability that break downside is more likely, especially because we here broke on Friday evening yesterday down. So usually if we Friday evening break down, we breaking down the whole weekend, right? So we see Bitcoin dumping the whole weekend. Let's see if it will work out. But I mean, it doesn't matter because it's right now we have very, very clear lines, right? So one point is, I told you if we break 21,800, right? I told you if we break 21,000, where it was on the 4-hourly, it was more clear. Here, wait a minute. I told you, and it's still valid, that if we break 21,800, we can start to short, right? To long Bitcoin. So, and it's still, I mean, we could say even we can start to long before. If we break here this white line, right? You see here the connecting points, and usually, so I tell you the price target of the bullish price target you measure from top to the downside. If we break here up to the upside, the technical price target here would be around, wait a minute, 23,000, right? So around 23,000. And the crazy thing is, if we're zooming out, we see also here at around 23,000, you see is here coming a lot of resistance here between 22,700, 23,000, right? I mean, this is crazy. This is the power of technical analysis, guys. So, and right now it's even more crazy, guys. Look, if we are breaking down, look at this. Guys, you see this? This is fucking crazy, right? I mean, this is really crazy. I mean, this is this makes me speechless, guys. This is the power. If not people drawing Picasso shit inside this trading view, if they make right trading analysis, then you have this. So okay, guys. So where's the bullish price target we have? It's very clear. And where are the opportunity to long? So one opportunity is very clear. If we break 21,800, then we can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins, right? Because we have a lot of resistance at 21,800. But we can also, it's more risky, obviously, but for the more professional ones, if we break here this white line, I mean, it would be around 21,650, or I mean, if we still consolidating further, 21,600 around, right? I mean, it depends how long we will here consolidate. If we break here with the clear 15-minute candle around 21,600, with the clear 15-minute candle, with the clear volume, right? So I want to see here green volume closing here above, then we can start to long Bitcoin, right? So where are our price targets? I tell you quickly my price targets. I mean, it's still the same, which I told you in the video in the morning, but maybe you didn't saw it. So let's quickly watch. So first price target would be 21,800. Obviously, this is our huge resistance line. The next one would be here around 22,000. The second one would be here around 22,100. The third one, 22,220. The fourth one, 22,400, and then we would have here, wait a minute, I can go 22,600. It's a lot of resistance also, and then our price target here would be reached at around 23,000, right? So it's 6.5% opportunity, 10x average 65%. If we break to the upside, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins. Now let us watch the bearish price target and the entry. So technically, if we break here, I mean, I have to move a little bit here. I mean, if we break here, for example, so if we break here, this line of around, I mean, if we still consolidate of around 21,360, I mean, you see, it depends, right? If we're still consolidating till this point, I don't think that it will take too long. I mean, look, I think it's at the latest, you see here, today in the night, we will see here a drop, you see? at the latest. We will see here a huge breakout to the up or to the downside. You see, it will vary, and the more tighter it gets, guys, the more volatile it will be. And you see, I mean, we can make here huge gains. You see, if we reach here 20k, I mean, this could be also 6.5%, 10x, 65% opportunity. This is huge, guys. So right now, if for short opportunity, if we break 21,360 approximately with a clear 15-minute candle, I mean a clear body, 15-minute body closing below this white line, and if we have a clear selling volume, then we can start shorting down. And my price targets, I mean, I told you also this today in the video in the morning, but I will tell you again the price targets. So if we break here down, the first price target would be here around 21,170, then 20,960, 20,844, 20,600, 20,400, 20,368, 20,240, 20,067, and then obviously 20k. So this would be 6.5%. Opportunity 10x average 65%, right? Like I said, guys, in my opinion, wait until we either break to the upside here, this white line breaking through and closing a 15-minute candle, or if we close here below this white line, a 15-minute candle with the clear body and the clear selling or buying volume, depend on if we're long or short, right? Very, very clear. In my opinion, the probability is more likely that we are breaking down because we broke on the weekend down, right? And we are in a downtrend, but it's not a guarantee, right? Do your own research. I show you my position. I'm at the moment in a short position right now, which is right around $30 in profit, 3.6% with 30,000 in contract size. This is my short-term trade, and I show you also my long-term trade. This is my long-term trade. This is a long position. I opened it weeks before. The short I opened shortly. This long position is right now $8,000 in profit, 24%. This is a long-term trade. This one I will open. I let it open. Even if we break down, I will even buy more. This is a long-term trade. But the other ones here, the other trade, this is a short-term trade. This is I want to catch our 20k, 20,600 profit area and make here some gains, right? So, very, very clear. I hope you understand what I told you. If you don't understand, please write me down below. Again, with this short, which I showed you, I want here to catch that if we break here down below, because I think it's more likely, I want here to make some profits, right? However, guys, on the bigger picture, if you're watching on the daily, we are still above 21,500. So it could be very clear, and we have here a W, right? You see here a W, and the price target of this W is 23,900, right? I told you. You measure from top to the downside, very clear. And in my opinion, it's still valid even if we break to 20k, because look, I mean, this if we see here this breakdown, right? Wait a minute here. If we see even here breakdown to 20k, it doesn't matter. This, you see, this W, this W would be still valid, you see, right? I mean, this line is really fat, but it would be like a wick down today. And then, I mean, tomorrow we could see a huge wick up, or I mean, tomorrow in the evening when the stock market in Asia open. You understand what I mean, right? So in my opinion, we still can have a move to 20k to liquidate all the longs, and after to see huge pumps to liquidate again all the shorts. This is my opinion, guys. Please do your own research. Technically, in my opinion, very, very clear. If we break above 20,600, 20,650 with a clear 15-minute candle, with a clear volume, we can start long Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins. If we break below 21,360, 350, we can start short Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins. Very, very clear. Ethereum price targets, I tell you quickly again, I mean, it's still the same. Like I told you before, and we have also here W. If Bitcoin break to the upside, 1,240, 1,058, 1,081, 1,350, and 1,430. It's 17%, and next leverage 170% opportunity. If Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we see 1,188, then we see 1,155, 1,132, 1,110, 1,091, 1074 and 1050. 40% 10x average, 140%. Very, very clear. If Bitcoin break to the upside, we can long Ethereum here, for example, or Solana, or all the altcoins. If Bitcoin break to the downside, we can short Ethereum, for example, like here, or Solana, or all the altcoins. Very, very clear in my opinion, guys. And here where I am trading, we are trading at the moment. Both accounts which I showed you are registered right now at the moment on Bybit. On Bybit, you get $4,620 for free after initial deposit, and on Bybit you get 30 days zero maker fee. Only through my link, guys. Link is down below. It costs you 20 seconds to make a registration. Do it right now. And guys, a lot of you asked me, because I will on my Telegram channel, I tell you even more information. So you can join Telegram channel. It's for free. Link is also down below if you want to have more information. And I told you right now is for free the channel, but will be I will do a charge, but I will close it for only for people who are registered to my Bybit link, for example, right? And a lot of you wrote, we are already registered through some other links and we cannot change the account. This is no problem, guys, because I'm negotiating right now with other exchanges, and there you can make a new account, get even a bigger bonus. I'm trying to negotiate. Hopefully it will work, because it's a high profit for you and for me, and you can just move your funds, and then you get even more money because of this deposit, right? Initial deposit and this bonus, and I get a good share from your trading fee. So it's absolute win-win situation. And I will also do there, so if you make then on another exchange through my link registration, you can also then access to my Telegram and Discord. But right now at the moment it's for free, guys. Make registration right now on Bybit. If you don't have account, then you can access to Discord. Discord is at the moment closed, only for people through my affiliate, but Telegram is at the moment for free, open for everyone. Link is down below. Go right now if you have more questions. If you don't have more questions, then you can go right now, play again go-kart, Mario Kart. And if you have more questions, write me down below. And thank you everyone who's smashing the like button, and for everyone for this positive feedback. It's amazing, guys. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.